Much. And now to the local impact of the coronavirus pandemic. A Houston mom is sacrificing her first ever Mother's Day to work on the front lines. She spoke with our David Gonzalez about her mission to help others stay safe.
Healthcare workers have flocked to hot zones to help control the spread of coronavirus.
Keeping our employees safe and keeping them working is my priority.
Among them is Megan Emerson Brown, who for the last 2 weeks has been in New York working in infection control.
At the hospital that I'm at, the majority of the patients are testing positive for COVID-19. It was a lot worse a few weeks before I got here, and it's slowly getting better.
It's a good sign for the first-time mom who will be spending the next 7 weeks away from her family in Houston.
It's my first Mother's Day, so yeah, it'll be good, but hard at the same time.
Megan's daughter Bellamy also turns 1 in a couple of weeks.
I tear up every night when we Zoom, and it's especially hard for me to say goodnight, and she kisses the phone, and it just melts my heart.
She says being away from her family has been really hard, but she knows she's making them proud by choosing to help those who need it most.
You have to calculate risk reward, and in the long term, I want to be able to look back and tell her that, you know, I served during this time of need and I did everything I could to make it different.
Megan knows other moms are also making a sacrifice every single day. She says their dedication won't go unnoticed.
And for moms on the front line, just keep showing your kids that, you know, helping people when you're able to help people is the way to go.
In Houston, I'm David Gonzalez, KHOU 11 News.
What a beautiful family. Megan, thank you so much for all of your work and to all of our healthcare workers, truly our heroes right now. Well, we are keeping an eye on the numbers as more states work to reopen. Here are 3 things to know this morning. First, the United States is nearing 80,000 deaths after an uptick over the weekend. There are more than 1.3 million confirmed cases. Next, more than 1,000 deaths in Texas with 37,000 confirmed cases. The good news, 20,000 of those have recovered. Finally, 2 more employee deaths this week in the Texas prison systems that may be linked to the virus. 7 in total have died from COVID-19. And a shakeup in local leadership. Harris County Clerk Diane Troutman is resigning because of personal health concerns. She says because of the pandemic, her age, and underlying health issues, she does not feel she can safely continue to carry out her duties. County Judge Lena Hidalgo issuing a statement in part saying, "I thank her for serving our community with pride, dedication, and an ambitious agenda." Well, in other news this morning, it will be a good day to look up in Greater Houston as we celebrate the end of World War II 75 years later. Anayeli Ruiz gives us a preview of the Flight to the Finish flyover today.
The Lone Star Flight Museum is putting more than 24 World War II historic planes in the air today to honor what happened 75 years ago. The pictures of World War II veterans will fly inside the lead plane today. These warbirds will take off in Ellington Airport and fly the route of 120 miles around the city. They'll pass over in small groups and be about 2,200 feet in the air. They expect that it should take about 5 minutes to fly through each particular point, and they hope that people can take a brief moment to honor the sacrifice that was made.
I simply want them to remember the great sacrifices of the greatest generation and that period in our nation's history when our nation went to war for its very survival.
The flights will take off at 1:45 today from Ellington Field. The entire flight path should take about 90 minutes to complete. But the big message the museum wants to share today is stay home. The planes will come to you. Well, they're asking people to keep their distance as much as possible, but if you would like to watch the flight, you can head over to our Facebook page. Anayeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.